Hi everyone, my name is Janelle, and today I wanted to talk about something that affects so many men. Frequent trips to the bathroom, disrupted sleep, and that uncomfortable feeling tied to prostate health. If you or someone you care about is dealing with these issues, it can be frustrating and even exhausting. But the good news is there is a natural solution, Prostavive. Before we get started, let me remind you to use the official link in the description below. That's the only way to make sure you're getting the genuine product along with the peace of mind that comes with the money-back guarantee. Now, what is Prostavive? Prostavive is a natural dietary supplement made for men to support prostate health and improve overall well-being. It's packed with proven ingredients like Boron, which help balance hormones and maintain healthy testosterone levels, Tongkat Ali, which supports prostate function and boosts energy and stamina, Ashwagandha, which reduces inflammation and promotes restful sleep. These ingredients work together to improve urine flow and reduce discomfort. It minimizes nighttime bathroom trips so you can sleep better. It boosts vitality, stamina, and overall energy. What makes Prostavive unique is it goes beyond prostate support. It also improves blood flow, supports sexual health, and enhances overall vitality, giving you a complete solution for better health. Now, while you might notice some benefits within the first few weeks, the best and most lasting results come with consistent use over time. That's why I highly recommend starting with a 3-month supply. It gives your body the time it needs to fully absorb the nutrients and experience the real benefits. Plus, it's a better value, so you'll save money in the long run. And remember, Prostavive comes with a huge 180-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you're ready to reclaim your health, feel more energized, and enjoy better sleep, click on the official link below to order your supply today. Be sure to choose the 3-month package to get the best results and value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.